Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are going to be working on some money moves, baby. We'll be working on some of that money moves. So as you guys see here, our last video is actually about some other indications on finviz.com on how we will be doing screeners and how to find the next upcoming stock with low RSI. With oversold stocks. If you guys have not watched that, I'll go ahead and leave a link down below in the description. I'm over here looking at some Apple and some SPY options. Once it's done doing all this craziness here. As you see here, you may be a little bit of confusion on what's going on here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what I did to find these. Okay. So what I actually add them in my favorites, but you just want to go in your chart and just type in super trend, and that would be the first thing that's going to pop up. If you go ahead and click that, these are going to give you indications on when to buy. Let me go ahead and take these support lines out and stuff. So this is gonna get in the way of you guys. Okay, so these are just going to give you indications when to sell and when to buy. As you see here, it'll tell you, oh, okay, let's buy here at 120, and then it would, oh, boom, and then eventually this guy here up here is going to say, okay, well, we should sell about here. So it'll go up, it'll go up, it'll go up more, and the guy will tell you to sell here. And that's just a quick in and out indication. And then immediately right after that, right after this candle on March 1st, 2021 at 3:45, at 4 o'clock it tells you to buy right back in at the market before it closed. And then all the way up to about here, the next day at 3:15, it tells you to sell. Now you could sell up here if you wanted to, so they kind of wait a little bit earlier, a little bit later in the time on when to sell. So these aren't going to give you exact time frames on when the market's going to drop, but they give you indications on when to buy and when to sell. And it's pretty cool. Just keep in mind that these are not always accurate, but I guess what can help you is with that, just to feel more confident, is you just want to go over to Candlestick Patterns, and you kind of just want to find a candlestick that kind of like that will guide you to the next momentum on where you want to be looking at. I mean, it's like if you want to look for some engulfing candles. Let's see if we can find one. So you got one here, engulfing candle, engulfing candle. This is one right here. I'll show you. This kind of helps you learn on what candlesticks are, and this is pretty cool, and it actually educates you on what it means. So they give you a big highlighted area right here. So this is an engulfing candle, meaning that this whole the next candle here on the 15-minute time chart. And if you want, we can move to the daily, because most people here are daily traders. They're not going to trade by 15 minutes or look at a 15-minute time frame. So let's see if we can find one real quick. This goes back way back. I think that's one right there. Let's just go back to the 15-minute time frame, so we're not wasting time. So here, exactly right here. Even here, look how small this candle is. I mean, these are just perfect on how they're explaining it. See how big this candle is? It's like twice the height of this bearish candle here, this bull candle here. It's telling you it's, if you click on this indicator here, it says engulfing. At the end of the given downtrend, there would be most likely be a reversal pattern. So yeah, if you go ahead and click that, it will educate you. So we'll go ahead and get another one up. like I said, you'll go to the indications and strategies. You go down into candles and patterns, and they got like hammer, hangman, um, long lower shadow, long upper shadow, morning star. So if we click morning star, I don't know if this is going to have it or not. We probably need to go to spy. Apple. Over on Apple, go to spy. Engulfing. So there's another one right there. I mean, that's like almost triple the size, it looks like. Sorry, guys. I don't think this is going to have one. So let's just go ahead and find another indication. Let's go ahead and exit this one out. Like I said, you want to go to indicator and strategies. And let's do a hangman. Let's see what that one. Let's see what. So look, boom, you're getting a lot of hangmans, right? Hangman, right here. Look at that. That's what actually what started this bad boy. It's a completely downtrend. You see that? That's a hangman. Doesn't have a wick at the top. If we go back to indicators and strategies, let's go over to let's take this engulfing candle out, and let's see if we can find one so you guys know what the hammer is. So we got the hangman. Let's go ahead and go over to the hammer. Let's zoom out, baby. So we got a hammer here, boom, boom, but nothing down here. Okay. See that? This small wick here? Got a hammer here on this red candle. Like I said, these are just indications on what the market may be doing. These aren't going to be always 100% accurate on how the trend's going to be. Usually when it shows a hammer, usually that's a reversal of an uptrend as well. See, hammer candlesticks form when a security moves lower after the open, but continues to rally into a close above the in-trade day low. The candle that you are left with will look like a square attached to a long stick-like figure. This candle is called a hammer if it happens to form during the decline. So, like I said, these indicates, it gives you educations on this. So it's on tradingview.com. I'll go ahead and put the link also down below in the description. But I thought this was just pretty cool to show you guys and just, give you guys a little bit more education in on this. And yeah, let's see what this is. I think I can only add just one. So if we go ahead and just take out all these other ones, leave the buy and sell. And you got the Bollinger Bands. Bar up, bar down. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but we'll go ahead and exit that out. So these Bollinger Bands right here. If you guys don't know anything about these would be pretty good to know about, but that'll be a different video. I just wanted to show you guys those indications on how to get there. You can also add them into your favorites. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned something from this, and leave a comment down below on what else I could do for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Have a great educational weekend, and be safe and just trade smart, and always wait for confirmation. Thank you guys so much.